Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prep for press-on nails. So first we're going to push back her cuticles with the cuticle pusher just to take off the excess skin on her nails. And yeah, you're going to want to do that so that the nail won't pop off once you apply the full coverage tips on her nails. So this step is very important, along with many other steps that I'm going to show you. Right here, I'm just going to take my hand file on the softer side and further get rid of the oils on the natural nail. You don't want to use the rough side because it's going to take too much of the nail plate the nails on the nail plate off of her nails. And I also kind of further push back the cuticles because you want that salon quality look when you're using press-ons. You don't want your press-ons to look like press-ons. And after we file the nails, the shine off of the nails, we're going to want to get rid of the excess dust, and then I prefer to use acetone to dry out the nails, or you can use alcohol. Both of them will dry out the nails, and you want your nails to look dry because you don't want any of the oils or the shine to be on the nails, or they're going to just pop off. And yeah, like I said, we're going to want that salon quality, so we're going to prep the nails as if we're getting ready to do a acrylic set, basically. And yeah, she's just doing her little nails like a little awkward girl. That's my niece, by the way. And yeah, we was just having fun. If we were just talking crazy and having fun. Yeah, and I was just getting the supplies that I needed. But I'll let you know what I'm getting ready to do next. So after I size up the full coverage tips on each finger, I just take a little bit of my Kiss glue, nail glue, and I just make sure that I put it on the tip, inside the tip, and then I just press it onto the nail, her natural nails, and I just hold it there until I get it to my liking, basically. And I just keep doing it for all 10 fingers. Not too hard, just common sense right there. Is really the prepping is what you don't want to skip. And to this day, it's been a few days and they're lasting, by the way. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Right here, I'm going to be filing, basically buffering the shine of the actual tip, because once you put polish up there and you don't file, like buff or file off the shine of the tip, it's going to peel off and that will be pointless. So basically, the science of it I can explain. You need to buff the tip of it, because if you put top coat up there, especially gel polish, you're gonna see it peel off because it's not adhering to the tip, it's not adhering to the polish. So you need something rough, you need to rough it up, basically, just so it'll stick. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. So after I do that, I'm going to take some alcohol with a little paper towel, and I'm going to wipe off the excess dust on the tips. And after that, I'm going to be applying the polish that she requested, and that's that. So we're gonna use like a lavender color. That's what I got from it, as the base of the nails. I'm only gonna do one coat because of everything I'm gonna do on top of it. Only one coat will be needed. I'm sorry I might not be in frame. I gotta get better at that. Anyway, yeah, because I don't want to do two coats and make it too bulky. And it's pretty full coverage. It's a good polish where you can do one coat and be good. Some you may need two coats, but in this case it's not necessary. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to cure it for 90 seconds. And yeah, that's all we need to do. Sometimes you could say 60, but I do 90 just to be sure, because I don't want to have to go back basically. And now after I do that, we're going to wipe off that tacky layer with some alcohol, and it gives me a smooth thing to work on because I'm going to do some hand artwork. I'm so nervous because I don't do a lot of drawing. My main artwork is encapsulating, stickers, something simple. But yeah, I'm gonna be, as you see here, I'm using red, pink, well, dark pink, like hot pink. Let's start over. Red, hot pink, and white as our little hearts. And I'm going to do the two ball method. I do two balls beside each other and I drag it down and I just kind of pat to make my hearts basically. Hopefully I'm in frame, but yeah, just go from there and you'll see what I'm doing or what I did by the end of this video. Okay, so right here you see me putting the little heart crystals up there, just to go with the Valentine's heart theme that I'm going with today. They're going to be in various colors because I really just working with what I already had. So yeah, and I just use top coat. This is really for video purposes and also education. And after I cured that for 60 seconds, I put the cuticle oil on her fingers, and of course I shined them up because her fingers went through a lot, and her little fingers went through a lot just for me. But she was so excited with the outcome of it, and you'll see the end results in just a moment. And look at these beauties right here. She was very happy. I was very happy with the results. And press on who? Who would guess that these are press on nails? I will say that I will be, I'm open for business. I'll put my email address in the description box if you want me to do you some custom made press-ons. I will be happy to do that if you like what you see here. I'm pretty reasonable, so thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Bye.